Hey there, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this another episode of live application form, we'll show the process for how to apply for the fully funded scholarships in Germany. This is the SECI AI Scholarship in Germany. We'll show the full process for this application. This is from the European Lab for AI Research. We'll show the detailed application for this. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel for scholarships. If you're new here for the first time, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarship related content is published here. The link for this scholarship in Germany is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective description of each of the scholarship videos. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmenook.com. Also on Instagram post description, you can see the YouTube video as well as the application link is given here. Or you can directly message our team, ask for the link, or check out the Instagram stories or highlights, and the link will be provided you there as well. Meanwhile, on the website fullscholarships.net, once you land on this page, you can apply for this SECI AI Scholarship in Germany. So this scholarship supports outstanding students to study in Germany for postgraduate or master's courses. All countries are eligible. This will be providing you the reward of full scholarship with 11,208 euros of stipend per year with family allowance and travel costs. No IELTS exam is required for this. Deadline is June 30th, 2026. So School of Embedded Composite and Artificial Intelligence SECI at Leipzig and Redson TU is pleased to welcome applications for the 2026 AI Scholarship Program. So this scholarship will be hosted in Germany with the benefits mentioned already. You have to apply within the deadline of this June 30th, 2026. So you have enough time to prepare for the application to apply for the TU Redson or Leipzig University. So this AI is one of the top hot topics at the moment, and in past 2 3 years, it has developed recent touched new heights. So you should not hesitate to apply for this program. So they'll be offering the residency scholarships as well as the mobility grants, and there'll be separate scholarships for women in subjects as well. Eligibility criteria for this scholarship will be basic bachelor's should be bachelor's is required for this. So that you apply for the master's, this will be 2 years of master's, and then you can apply at your choice of TU Davidson or Leipzig University. And you also should maintain a CGPA of 1.7 or better than this for the scholarship to be continued. So this scholarship will offer you tuition and the 934 euro of living stipend monthly, then mentorship and industry networking. And this will also connect you to the foreign students and tied to a monthly family allowances if you're having dependents. Available programs for this will be CS at Redson and Nano Electronic System at the same university. Then there'll be also computational life and AI, applied artificial intelligence and computational modeling and simulation at the same university. Data science will be at the Leipzig University, and the bioinformatics and medical informatics will be also at the same university. So these type of details will be provided. Interested students visiting a research group at Redson or Leipzig University will be also part of this. And how do you apply for the scholarship? Simply scroll down here. You can see click here to apply. Click on this link. Now, once you click on that, you can see the official School of Embedded Composite Artificial Intelligence is here, and scholarship programs in this will be mentioned here. Subjects that you need to apply, that you wish to apply, they are listed here, and you can choose one of them. Who can apply and when to apply is also mentioned here. So application section is separately given. Scroll down a little bit. Here you can see call for the application is open from 1st of April to 30th of June here, and it is available here on the list. Click on this link here so that you can apply the application portal. So who can apply? All details are regarding this. So now please submit your application via this form here. So click on the apply link here. Now once you click on that, it will open the official portal for these scholarships here, and this is the basic scholarship form that you have to fill. First and the fourth information is the consent. You have to give that. Now select the program type you wish to apply to you, Redson or the Leipzig University. So it depends on which you wish to apply. I'll go with the computer science at TU Redson. And are you already studying this program or will you apply? So I am not studying currently this program, so I'll click on no. So first name and last name, then email address, and then date of birth in the year and that format. So let's choose here. So you have to choose the year here. This must reflect the details as per the passport here. Now I have selected that here. Select the gender, male or female, choose the nationality, and then country of residence. After that, the academic qualifications. If you have multiple degrees, please record your latest degree. You can say I have like BSc here. Study program. So completed is BSc AI. Then CGPA you have 3.0 out of 4. You may mention numbers only. Okay, we have already mentioned here. On the right side, you can see it's clearly mentioned. Then best possible grade is 4.0. Worst grading is 1.0. And university, you can mention the university name here. Country of the university, you can mention that here. And study period, from when did you start the program. So you have to mention that here. I'll mention that. And when you completed the program, you have to mention that here. So I have mentioned it, 4 years of program. Then you have to enter letter of motivation. You can write it clearly with the 4,000 characters. And then take his SCI takes into account special personal circumstances. If you have any, you have to mention this, else you can skip. This is not mandatory. Then now you have to upload the transcripts, upload the file here. One by one, you have to upload one by one here. So let me just go to this section here and submit one by one. You can see select it. You can mention the title of document and comment and click on save change. Now upload the CV. Same, you have to upload in the PDF format. And then you have to select the title and comment and click on save. Now allowed format, select the file here. And you can see, click on save. And additional document, if you wish, you can submit. How did you heard about this? You can say any of the other referral programs or LinkedIn, any other social media. Now click on submit. You can see, thank you, your responses have been submitted and recorded. Maybe we might receive the email after submission. Let's check. Now you can see confirmation of submitting your application, your scholarships. Your application has been submitted for the scholarship call. If you any further, you can ask. So your scholarship application is done. In case you have not applied for the admission, you can apply that as well. So you can scroll down here and the programs, you can see different programs. For example, we applied for this scholarship for this program. You can click on the program link here and you can apply for the scholarships admissions first, then you can apply for the scholarships. So you can see portal is also given here, requirements also mentioned here, how to apply, online application form, uh, finding your application portal, select the citizenship program you wish to apply for, first semester, second semester. You can see, so you have to clearly mention it here. Then simply submit the form based on the details they ask you continuously. And that's the simple basic admission form that you have to fill in first. Then you have to fill the second scholarship form. So that's it for today. In case you have any confusions, ask us in the comment section below or write directly on our website fullscholarships.net. You can directly contact us from the website. Best and the easiest communication way to reach us, get your questions answered or queries is our Instagram page here. You must follow and write your questions so that our team will answer you. And in case you have any other scholarships in your mind so that you wish to apply, we have all published them here for you with step-by-step guidance. And in case we are missing something, you should write us directly on the mail fullscholarships45@gmail.com or help@fullscholarships.net. And you must directly confront us that something you have made mistake here. So definitely we are humans and we might make mistakes even if we have some experience in filling the application form. You can ask our team directly on Instagram that we need guidance here. I need to have the SOP written by you. I need my CV to be edited by you. I have some issues in CV, I have confusions in somewhere. So you can directly ask us and you should not hesitate. This is absolutely free at just some of our services like writing SOP. You can directly shop from this here. And that's it. Yeah. So please visit our website fullscholarship.net. Again, I'm reminding you the link for this scholarship is provided in the video description below, or you can check out about section of the YouTube, and our website fullscholarships.net directly can be contacted here. That's it. I'm signing off of Full Scholarships. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.